A good set of paring knives are essential in my kitchen. I'm Sarah with WTI, and I couldn't be more impressed with this paring knife set from Targzir. The first thing I noticed about these knives was that the handle is very sturdy and the blade is super sharp. In fact, I didn't even realize how bad my own paring knives were until I started using these. They sliced my fingers so smoothly that I didn't even know I cut myself until I saw the blood. Now that's a good knife. It's very useful for chopping all sorts of things other than fingers. I tried it on rough vegetables like carrots and potatoes and on softer things like peppers and grapes, and these knives took every task with ease. I like the way that the handles fit in my hand. I don't have any trouble with the grip, and I don't feel like they're going to slide out of my hands even when my fingers are wet. These knives came nicely packaged in their own little cardboard sleeves, and I even like that they come in different colors so that you can designate them for meat, cheeses, veggies, and fruit. So if you're ready to upgrade your paring knives, or you're looking for a good housewarming gift, then I think you should check out this paring knife set, and that's my point of view.